The automatic knife is used to automatically cut short pasta. It consists of a blade inserted through a spring attachment and action by an electric motor. The knife speed can be regulated using the potentiometer. The cutting zone is protected by a special protective housing. The automatic knife must be mounted with the power jack disconnected from the machine. This is to be connected at the end of the operation. Attach the knife to the end of the extrusion sleeve using the knob, resting the blade on the draw plate. Connect the motor connector to the jack outlet on the machine.